guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be trimming my ends. If you haven't already, I uploaded a video when I did my second bit chop, and as you can see it has been 6 months and I definitely have some split ends that I need to cut off, but my hair has grown a lot in this short span because I cut it really short. And yeah, so right now I'm just sectioning off my hair because this process will take me a while because I am trimming my hair myself. So right now I'm trying to get me a guide, and the guide is your starting piece and you're going to travel this guide all over your head. So right now I'm just trying to cut off the split ends and trying to just get the back as even as possible because my hair in the back in the middle does tend to appear a little bit longer than the rest of the hair in the back, just because my texture for some reason in the back middle is just a little bit looser, so it's always slightly longer. So that's why I started in the back middle to get a guide to travel all over my head so that my hair is even. I am not intentionally cutting my hair in layers because I do want my hair to grow all even over. And yeah, so like I said, once you get the back trimmed and even, the rest of it will be easy. It's just the back because it's hard to see back there, and you all see I have an extra mirror because yeah, I'm a little picky and I want it to be as even as possible. And this upcoming section right here is where you all can see clearly how my middle section of my hair in the back grows longer. It is perfectly clear right there, and I'm not being shy at all with trimming my hair because I praise healthy hair over long hair any day. And yes, I just want my hair even, and my main reason for waiting a little bit to trim my hair is because I'm getting braids in a few days, and before I get braids I always like to make sure my hair is healthy up underneath, because if you put braids on top of split ends they're just gonna split even more, and yeah, we're not doing that. So I'm just working my way up section by section, and as you all will see, I go horizontally with cutting my hair just to make sure it is even, and then I also pull my hair up vertically just to make sure it is even as well. So I'm pulling my hair in 2 different directions, mainly because if I only went horizontally row by row, then I wouldn't be making sure that I'm cutting off all of the split ends and dead hair. And that's the good thing about using a comb, you guys. When you comb your hair and you have split ends, you can feel it and hear it when you're running the comb through your head. So right here I'm pulling it up vertically just to make sure it's even, because I'm making a guide in the back. The guide that I made in the back is traveling all the way to the front to make sure that every piece is as even as possible. And at different points, you always want to go and run through your hair just to make sure everything is even, and just check your progress so far, just so you won't make a mistake and then you finish it and then you have to go back and do some cleanups.